thought we could walk around and see if we could
What number?
I also know that 36, there's the mother and that's the baby. Their
No.
grandmother.
Okay. Oh, the mother.
Yeah.
Too cute. Oh.
Oh, hello, that's 24. I hand feed her food sometimes.
Hello.
She's quite thin. So
Hi.
do you have any food?
Can I?
You can try, she's quite skittish.
Oh, really? Maybe she...
Where is Maria's mess?
They're coming.
They the same thing the horses eat.
Hello.
They find
Yeah.
more.
Oh, how many fields do you have?
The fields.
You guys are so cute.
Hello. Moana.
Oh. Hey. Oh my goodness, no, it's no food, but... Whoa. Coming. They're coming. Come here. Good job. We don't have food. No, we don't have food.
Got very pooey bottoms. Disgusting that is.
So you have to use a ladder to get in, and then it's from here to about. Actually, no, it's from here to about Ping Ping.
I remember her.
Yes, her grandparents own like fishing park where people go fish with like little cottages and stuff on it. Anyway, so there's a big lake. I go on holiday anywhere.
Oh, over 50 minutes.
Well, 15 minutes because it's an Aga. The heat is like...
It's already hot, no preheating, right?
It's already hot, no preheating, and also it heats really strongly on one side compared to the other, so you have to turn it around.
Oh, I can't wait. Yeah.
And I like the shape of that cup at the bottom.
Right.
And I like the canisters.
Right, so quick.
Here's our garden. So that's where next it comes in our garden.
Yes.
And in the corner it got to like 6 feet deep once.
Ooh.
And my house flooded, which that.
Yes, that's never fun.
To there. So it rose, came in our house, and because we're
Loads and loads of tables put together.
money plant.
Yes, we have somehow...
That's okay, we keep our bread in the fridge.
I think Korea, if you think that's tough,
Yeah.
you can have a go flipping the pancake again if you want.
Is it here or you?
Well,
Is it
you can
hot?
Flip.
I remember you're good at flipping.
Apparently, when it was
Like a charred sausage or two or something down there.
Oh yeah, but he tried, right?
yeah.
Having the first one, would you like lemon or would you like...
I'll have lemon.
You'll have lemon?
Yeah. Oh, the cake time.
Maybe you've got to stick a knife in it.
Well, I think it might just be time to turn it around. Yes, it's very wobbly, so I'm going to move it back so I can put it...
It kind of reminds me of the for my dad's birthday.
When was that?
2 years ago.
Mhm.
Me and my brother made him a coffee and walnut cake.
Oh, sounds nice.
Right, but
It might be, yes.
yeah,
Tea doesn't count as food.
my brother and my dad. And nachos with cheese. Yeah, I like the texture.
Tea, which like... decaf, Earl Grey, and some fruit teas. Tea bag, just tell me if it is, I don't know why.
I think it's done.
It seems to be done, doesn't it? I'm going to poke it into more places. We need to for lemon cakes, that the lemon goes into the cake on top.
Yeah.
That's too cool.
So, when are you getting kicked out of your accommodation?
June 11th. Then I'm still waiting for that.
Yeah, there's a nice campsite that we usually do. We also have like 4 other tents.
So what is keto?
You know Skittles, the rainbow.
What? No.
They're small circles, and you get red, or can't remember the flavours, and then... Yeah.
Hello. No. It's not tried. Hey. Oh, he likes you.
Hello, sweetie.
Hey.
the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate, shut the gate.
Yeah.
Babe,
Oh my god.
the youngest lamb is that.
I like here.
We're just lucky it's not a dairy farm because cows. When it gets really hot, and you want to take the dog to.
But they're kind.
Eat you and they'll trample you.
No. They're good. Hello. So it's like that.
That's just bad green.
It's coming. She's coming.
As we already had 24 and a half.
So that's why 27.
7.
Bye.
Look, first we've got 9, we've got 32.
3. 30. There's no 32. 37. 37. No, 29 is here. Who is mother? Because that's 27. Ah.
You'll find home eventually.
No, your mom is not there. Come here, 24. I think 24 is now so confused. Come here. Yeah, you're right. Your mom is there. You're right.
We'll go around the edge of the field.
But that's right direction, isn't it? Your mom is there.
Right, let it run ahead. Probably towards my mother.
We are navigating.
We also need to figure out where his mother is.
Which one? Ah,
There's 34 mum as well.
it's a drama. Oh, hey, oh.
No.
No, it's 60. No, 24. Your mom. No.
Leave behind you.
Hey, mom. Your kid is there. Your kids is there.
Yay! And the 34 figured out.
Me.
Where's Fatty?
Your mom is here. Hey, come on. Oh, Moana.
Dude.
Level 1 left.
She's so friendly, right?
Unbelievable, Moana. Probably on that same day, wasn't it, that I had a picture taken?
I have soup on my hands.
Let's make pretty best again.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Bye.
No, not me. Get off.
Get off.
Oi, Junior.
Your mom.
And there's 429. 29.
Moana likes you,
Get off
Maria.
my belly.
Right, let's just walk away. Come here.
29. 29, come
We'll
back.
never be able to tell. I do this every day.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And I'm hot.
I left that stuff. Run!
No way.
Pippa!
Pepper.
She's dead.
Pepper. Pepper. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Let's go. Okay, we're coming.
Here you come. Where are they supposed to be?
It's a fictional land.
I saw flags of recognizable countries before.
But it's somewhere in Europe, isn't it?
That's what I was thinking.
Well, in the book, Hal was originally from Wales, and then he went into this fantasy land through like a portal.
Oh, so he's from Wales.
He is, yeah.
Oh. So it must be UK then.
Well, it was written by a British author.
Yeah, I really want to. Konnichiwa. お願いします。はい、わかりました。言います。こんにちは。ですか？あ、そうかもしれないですね。そうなんです。はい、見えてます。 手が違うからね、あれですよね。ああ、そうなんですね。プレゼンだと緊張もしますしね。お願いします。ありがとうございます。さっき、発展途上国、投資とかが必要って、例えば開発の時に、発展途上国には必要だと思いますか？どの人口のグラフ、貿易することで賃金っていう。ありがとうございました。